Hi guys, you found Can't Stop Writing with author Carol Alwood. Today's video is about how to make a thumbnail for YouTube in 2 steps. First, open your photo in Affinity Photo. You'll want to choose the brush selector tool and begin selecting yourself so you can cut out the background. If you take a great photo, you might not have to cut out the background. I just prefer to cut myself out so the photo is cleaner. You can use the subtract option to cut out background parts that got selected. Then you need to choose Refine and brush around the edges to refine your photo. After you refine your photo, under Selection, choose Mask and Apply. Now it's time to use the Erase tool to clean up anything that didn't get cut out of the background. After you erase, you're going to export your photo. Choose PNG and make sure to click Selection without background. This will make it so you export your PNG with a transparent background. Now it's time to go to Canva. The reason I use Canva rather than using Affinity Designer is because I like the extra features like the shapes and elements that are already created for me. Once you get to Canva, first you choose Create a Design and select YouTube Thumbnail. If you'd rather create your thumbnail in a different graphic design software, notice that these are the pixel measurements you would use. Now you upload your transparent PNG photo to Canva. Position your photo where you want it. Then think about the background color you'd like to use. I use my logo colors, which are a shade of purple and gold. You can store your colors in Canva, but I haven't done that, so I uploaded my logo to get the colors. Now you just have to make the thumbnail how you want it. They say keep it simple so that somebody looking at it from far away would be able to read it. That's why I try to use 3 words whenever possible. I like to use the elements on Canva because they're cute and you don't have to design them. You can change the color for most of the elements. Position the text how you want it. When you click download, it will say preparing your design, and that's when it's ready. I like to save it to photos, and it's there when I want to use it on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. Please like my video and subscribe for more like this. In the meantime, have fun making thumbnails.